Look at yourself. Trust issues. Examine our hearts. Cry out with no tissues, yeah. Broken and young from the things we have done. Only flip the page to mental credentials, yeah. Are you good enough? Say your heart. Fragile to the touch. Have been harmed, are you okay? Personality change, you can't feel the happiness great. Na na na, na na na. Now keep lying. Tell them you got goals, but not trying. And tell them you got faith, yet feel like dying. Are you good enough? Say your heart. Fragile to the touch. Have been harmed, are you okay? Personality change, you can't feel the happiness crave. Na na na, na na na, na na na. You ever feel lost? You ever feel hopeless? Like maybe a sabotage wouldn't be noticed. Please hear me out. Listen to me now. Just let me out. Let me be free now. I'm sorry. Expectations high and it's tight. Trying to lift my load without crying. Now, am I good enough? Say I'm hard. Fragile to the touch. I've been harmed, am I okay? Personality change, I can't feel the happiness I crave. Examine our hearts. Cry out with no tissues, yeah. Broken and young from the things we have done. Only flip the page to mental credentials, yeah. Are you good enough? Say your heart. Fragile to the touch. Have been harmed, are you okay? Personality change, you can't feel the happiness great.